copy this. All right, no typo. All right, I'm going to place it right here, and 4, and okay. What are we going to do? Simple. We are going to sum everything concerning Malaysia. Does this typo have effect? Yes, it would have effect. So anyway, the correct answer should actually be this amount. So if I go down to our status bar right here, it should be 132. All right, this status bar is from here to here. You can customize a little bit if you want to. You can always right click, right, and I have average count, some. You can add the rest of the stuff if you need it. All right, or uncheck the box if you don't need, but usually I just leave it like that lah. Average count, some is just nice enough for me. Okay, so just remember right click anyway. Let's go. Okay, somewhat of course we have to sum passenger carried, right? Okay, equal sign SU, and there it is right here. SUMIF, double click on it. Look at that. Malaysia is definitely criteria, right? Hey, how about range and sum range? They are pretty close, right? So in order to differentiate the two, when you see something like sum range, in this case it means passenger carried. It's the target column. Leaving range is where Malaysia actually lies. Okay, so let's go. Range, right? Click on this. I know it's so long, the list downwards, right? So I want you to use Control Shift down arrow. Okay, Control Shift down arrow. You can select it manually also lah. Okay, Control Shift down arrow, comma, criteria Malaysia, comma, passenger carried, sum range, Control Shift down arrow. You see it stopped here, right? It stopped where the blank is. Okay, then down again. All right, and enter, and get this comma style. Let me do a formula text first. Equal sign formula text. Where is formula text? It's right here. Double click on it. Click here. Okay, you guys got it? Now, just now I mentioned 132 million, right? Obviously, right? This is not captured inside. Why? Typo. Whether it's space is something that you can't see, but this one there is something we can see, right? Correct? So space is of course worse lah. If you have a space, we wouldn't know where is it, right? We got to clean up. This one thing wasn't included. It's just exact. So meaning to say, right, it doesn't include typos and stuff. So be very careful with things. Alright. So we are going to have introduced two criteria. Say Philippines, maybe 2015. Alright. Let's go. To tell the truth, right, it's the same stuff except that the formulas, right, just rearrange only. Alright. Equal sign, sum, ifs now. Double click. You see this? Sum range, just now it was the last component. So sum range is passenger carried lah. Alright, very simple. Come here, Control Shift down all the way. Sometimes you don't bother to look at, because if your data has no space, you go all the way down. But very careful, you got space. Very careful. Alright, comma, criteria range. Hey, wait a minute. This one we gotta stop and think, guys. It's criteria range. No, it's not criteria. No, we gotta take things one by one. Criteria range. Okay, let's take a Philippines. We are not selecting this. We are selecting the range where Philippines is. Alright, come here, comma, being guided by the Excel IntelliSense, please. Now it's criteria. Now Philippines. Alright, so that's number one. Comma. So I think you know exactly what, right? 2015 is not the 2015, but it's the range. Alright, so again, come here and like that, comma, this one, and 7, enter. So that